Good morning everybody and welcome to our first lower school assembly online. This is really exciting. It's the first time we've had just a lower school assembly. I know we had our whole school assembly on Monday, but on a Thursday morning now, whilst we're doing distance learning, this will be our lower school assembly slot. Moving forward, this will be broadcast live from my YouTube account. The reason we're not going live today, this morning, is because we've had some technical difficulties with the live aspect and broadcasting live. But moving forward, next week, we will be going live for your lower school assembly. So if you've got anything at all that you would like to be included in that assembly, please let me know and we can make sure that we build that in. So just before we move on to some other things in our assembly today, I'd like to say well done for all your hard work. Your teachers and I and the rest of the junior team are incredibly proud of everything that you have achieved over the past 2 weeks. We know it's been challenging, but you have overcome that and are becoming very, very confident in your digital literacy skills, which you should be very, very proud of. We're thinking about introducing a Learner of the Week, which would be a celebration of different students who have really gone above and beyond with their learning. And we'd also like to link this to the IB Learner profile. So if you think carefully, if you're being a good communicator, for example, if you think that you would like to see that, please let me know and we can look at including that celebration of work in the future. Another big thank you from me for all your suggestions of what you would like to see on the YouTube channel. We've had stories being very popular, so we'll look at including some different lower school age-related stories for you to tune in and listen to. Or if there is a longer book, perhaps a novel that you would like to see me doing a daily read of, we could read a chapter or two every day. Please let me know your suggestions and that's something that we can include as well. Had lots of lovely suggestions. One of my favourites though that came through was called Spread a Little Sunshine, and it was about ensuring that we're reaching out to our friends during this time to check on them and check they're okay and spread happiness to them. So I'd like to think about who that could be today for you. Who do you think you could reach out to today to check in on them, check they're okay, send them a smiley face emoji, whatever it might be, just something that could make them smile. Please keep your suggestions coming in for content. We want to build this channel around you and the types of things that you would like to see. The aim is that it can be somewhere where you can go in between your studies, to have some downtime, to listen to stories, to listen to fun facts, whatever it is that you want to hear me talk about, or maybe others would like to get involved as well. Please let us know. Just before we move on with the theme of our assembly on positivity, I just want to take some time to recognise some children that have celebrated their birthdays over the past 2 weeks. We recognise that in these times your birthdays might be feeling very different to the way that they might usually do, and you can't celebrate them perhaps in the way that you would normally. So I just want to take a couple of minutes to recognise some of the children that have had birthdays over the last 2 weeks. So we've got a happy birthday to Zayn and Sophia and Aya and Sungwoo and Omar and Ruhan, and in advance of Friday Mia, a big happy birthday. And also a big happy birthday to Miss Paisley, who had her birthday last week, and Miss Sorsan. So from me and the rest of the team, very happy birthday to you all. So today in our assembly, we're going to be thinking about positivity. So I just want you to take a minute to think about what this means to you. And why do you think this is particularly important? Why is it a good value to have and show, particularly in the times that we find ourselves in? We can also connect other values with positivity: kindness, friendship, humour, gratitude, appreciation, self-belief and hope. We can also link the value of positivity to what we've already learned in other assemblies about growth mindset. For example, the fantastic assembly that Grade 5 Caracals led on growth mindset in Term 1, about having a shift of mindset and how this can affect how we feel about things. Remaining positive and having a positive mental attitude is so important at the moment. We have been faced with massive challenges, and when we're faced with challenges, we have to make a choice. We can choose to see the positive side of things and take action for a good outcome. Or we can focus on the negative and not really move forward with a situation. Which do you think would have the overall better impact on your own mental health? When we feel negative, we need to think about what we learnt about growth mindset. We need to change the way we look at challenges. Look for the positives that could happen and look for what we could learn from a situation. For example, at the moment, we're in a tricky situation where we can't go out, we can't see our friends, we can't go to school, we can't go to work. But think about all the time that you are spending with your family, cooking together, laughing together, learning together. Sometimes, when we're surrounded by negativity, it's very easy to join in and be brought down by the negative attitudes of others. But be that light in the negativity. Shine through and find the positives. Be the sunshine. To help share positivity and hope in our communities, I'd like you to think about the challenge that Miss Williams first set us in our Monday assembly, the Rainbow Challenge. Now, all over the world, children have been drawing rainbows and displaying these outside their homes, in their windows, to share positivity and hope in what is globally quite a challenging time. I would like you to send me as many pictures of rainbows as possible so that I can make a rainbow video for us all to enjoy. As well as sending me the rainbows, display them everywhere, display them for your community, display them in the windows and give someone the opportunity to smile. And going back to what we said at the start of the assembly with the suggestions from one of our grade 2 students about spread a little sunshine, I want you to go back and think, who are you going to be the sunshine for today? What positivity are you going to bring into somebody's life today? And how are you going to do it? So just before we finish assembly, I'd like to leave you with some wise words from Mahatma Gandhi. Keep your thoughts positive, because your thoughts become your words. Keep your words positive, because your words become your behaviours. Keep your behaviour positive, because your behaviour become your habits. Keep your habits positive, because your habits become your values. Keep your values positive, because your values become your destiny. Have a great day, everybody. Don't forget to send me in your suggestions of what themes you want for Lower School Assembly, what you'd like me to see me talk about on the YouTube channel, and anything else that you would like to send me. Have a lovely day, everybody.